Hi foodies, welcome to this episode of Foodie Friday right here at MH24. I'm Chef Ruky and today we are going to make Ghanaians' all-time favorite dish, vegetable jollof rice. And we are going to be using the rich and flavorful Gino tomato mix to make it absolutely delicious. Whether you are cooking for your family, your friends or yourself, this recipe is a winner. So let's get right into it. Here are the ingredients you will need. We have 2 cups of rice. We have our bell peppers, red, yellow, green. We have our sliced carrots and our sliced onions, our tomato, our ginger, garlic, and habanero. We also have our natural spices and all-time Gino curry powder. We have our Gino tomato mix, Gino jollof mix, and our cooking vegetable oil. Now we're starting by adding our natural ingredients. We're going in first with our tomatoes, followed by ginger, habanero, garlic, bay leaves, and rosemary. Now we can add our water to blend. So we are going to put in our vegetable oil into our heated pan. Then we go in with our sliced onion, let it fry for a while. Then we put in our blended fresh spices. Let it simmer until it smells nice. So here's where the magic begins. I'm adding the Gino jollof mix. It's thick, rich, and packed with real tomato flavor, and it's perfect for jollof rice. So it's time to spice things up. We are adding in more rosemary, some bay leaves, some Maggi cubes, and some Gino curry powder. So we are going to stir this for a while to get all the flavors to come alive. So we are going to add in a little bit of salt to taste. Then we stir. And we let it simmer for 2 minutes. Whilst our stew is on fire, let's wash our rice. So our base has simmered for a while. It's time for us to put in our rice. But before we do that, let me tell you why I prefer to use long grain rice. If you want a perfect jollof rice, always use long grain rice. So I'm pouring in our washed rice. Then you give it a good stir to soak up the flavor. Once the rice is about 80% cooked, we're going in with our colorful vegetables, carrots and bell peppers. This adds not only flavor and crunch, but also beautiful color and nutrients. Stir gently, cover again and let it steam for a few more minutes until it's well cooked. Our vegetable jollof rice is now perfectly cooked and ready to be served. And there you have it, vegetable jollof rice made with the bold flavor of Gino tomato paste. It's vibrant, comforting and full of goodness. This is perfect. This tomato mix is deep and rich in flavor. Definitely a crowd pleaser. Thank you for joining me here on Foodie Friday, right here at MX24. And don't forget, good jollof rice starts with your good base, and Gino tomato mix never lets you down. Catch you on the next episode with more flavor, more recipes, and more fun right here at MX24. Bye for now, and don't forget to cook with love.